Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm really excited to unbox this Boxycharm. March 2021, I kind of forgot about my Boxycharm. You know, I wasn't really, I'll just say that when I got the email that everything was coming out, I was kind of just like, meh, whatever. You know, like I wasn't as excited. I don't know why. It was shipped out on March 9th. And I got it on the 19th, so I think it only took 10 days for my box to come, which is really quick. Really quick. Anyway, before I get to unboxing this, make sure that you guys have subscribed to my channel, you know, like the video, etc, etc. You guys already know what I'm trying to say, what I'm gonna say. I also cut myself some bangs last night. I was feeling kind of, I don't know what I was feeling, but I wanted bangs, so I cut myself some damn bangs. Yeah, let's get right on into it. Let's see what's in my March Boxycharm. I already opened the box yesterday. Like I said, I wasn't really that excited. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm kind of used to getting the box now. I was kind of keeping track of it, and then when it was in Calgary like 4 days ago, I knew it was in Canada, I knew it was really close, but I forgot about it. And then yesterday I went and I looked at the tracking, and it was actually delivered on the 19th of March, and it was the 22nd yesterday. So I was like 3 days, 2 days, don't mind my counting. I was a couple days late, so I ran down to the Canada Post thing and I grabbed my box and I ran back upstairs, opened it up and seen what was in my box, and I was actually pretty excited. I got re-excited again just by looking in my box. So yeah, before I say anything, I do not remember my choice. That is just how much it hasn't been on my mind. I did make a choice and I forgot which product it is, so we're not even gonna, you know, we're not even gonna go there. Once again, one of the smaller boxes. I thought it was very cute to have this St. Patrick's Day inspired paper little thing, you know. But yeah, this is how it came. Whatever. This is how the box came. I'm gonna be playing with the lighting here so you guys can see everything in its authenticity. This is how the box came. Now, like they always do, they send the piece of paper with all the products on it. I don't know my choice that I made for March, so I'm pretty sure it was the primer that I got in here. I want to say that my choice was the primer, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah, so let's go. I'm so excited. There's one product in here. I've seen it, and I'm used to not getting, well, no, I do get palettes, but there was a couple palettes that I think the February box and the January box got that I didn't get, so I was kind of like, I'm not gonna be getting any of the good palettes, but I did this time. So let's start. The first product that I'm gonna show you guys is from PND Beauty. This is the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. And in this video, I'm gonna open up everything and show you guys what it is. Ooh. Makeup removing cloth. If you guys have watched my makeup removal videos on here, I actually posted a new one, I think last night. I don't use cloths or anything. I use makeup remover wipes. So this will be interesting. This product retails for $30. It is very soft. The color is cute. I've never heard of PND Beauty. And I actually made a mistake. It's not PND, it's PMB. I have never heard of PMD Beauty. Am I even saying this right? Yeah, PMD. I've never heard of PMD Beauty. Let me just put this away because I already butchered someone's name. That's the Silver Pure. $30 for this is crazy. But maybe it's really good. Let me not even start off by saying that. Maybe this product is really good. I'm gonna have to go read the reviews. All right, y'all. I'm gonna save the palette for last. The next product that I'm gonna show you guys is from Frank Body. It is this glow mask. Now this glow mask does retail for $21.95. It comes with 2.71 fluid ounces or 80 milliliters, and apparently it is caffeinated, so there is some coffee in this. Shea butter and hohi, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. G-O-J-I berry. That's the brightening part of the mask. I don't like using oils on my face because they clog my shit and then I break out in pimples. But yeah, $21 for this makes me think that it is gonna be good quality and my pores won't, you know, give me some trouble. But yeah, this is the second product, Frank Body. I wonder, should I smell it for you guys? It does come with one of those little seal things. Very good. I like when products come sealed and protected, because you know what I hate? When you shop at Walmart, and I know it's a drugstore, so you're not supposed to expect good quality or, you know, shit like that, but I hate when you go to Walmart and you buy a product, you don't open it up, you don't look at the seal, and it's fucking used or it's dirty or, you know, I feel like I smell a hint of the shea butter, but I can't really smell anything. But yeah, I hate when you buy products from drugstores and it's fucking used, open. And then some places, I don't know now because of COVID, but some places they do take returns. But I hate, it smells like, maybe that's the coffee, but it smells like a car. You know when you open up the lid? Anyway, so the third product that I'm gonna show you from my Boxycharm is the Viseart Seamless Eye Primer. I do have an eye primer and I actually have about 4 of the same product. When I was shopping at London Drugs, if you guys know what London Drugs is, they had this brand and they had all their makeup on sale. And pretty much the primer that I got was like $3. Maybe less than that because it was on sale, reduced from the red ticket price. This product right here retails for $24. Now I just noticed that it is kind of already open, so, oh. January 31st. So this is some bullshit. So the top right here, it does have a code that I could have used before January 31st, 2021, to receive 20% off my entire purchase. But it expired. Ooh. This is the product right here. Now guys, I already have an eye primer like I was saying before. So I already have an eye primer, but I will be giving this one a go. My eye primers are a little bit old because I did purchase them like before 2013, I think. So this will be something new and refreshing and not old. So yeah, this is the Viseart. That is kind of bumming how they did have a code for 20% off, but I can't use it because they sent me what seems like an older product that they maybe received before. So that is kind of a bummer. Now before, because I did do some research on my Boxycharm to see if I could figure out which product that I chose for my base box. And I did go through the, I think it was the March reviews for the March Boxycharm, and I did see a comment giving Boxycharm 1 star and saying that they felt like this month was just products that were like old and from past boxes, so they didn't get anything they wanted. And this right here, just seeing that the expired coupon thing on the bottom kind of shows me that maybe they are giving older products that were from past boxes. So that kind of sucks. The fourth thing that I'm going to show y'all from my Boxycharm box is, it's another mascara. Now I did get a mascara in I think my first Boxycharm box, either my first or my second, either December or November. I don't think it was November though, I think it was December. This is from Too Faced. I've never owned a product from Too Faced before. I don't think. I'm pretty sure this is my first product. This is the Damn Girl Mascara. I love this packaging, guys. Like, what? For shamelessly thick and curled lashes. This mascara does retail for $26. Apparently this is a creamy mousse formula based on what it says on the card right there. 24-hour mascara. I guess it shows you some eyelashes and what it does to them. Now my eyelashes did get a little bit smaller, I think. I used to have what I thought was long lashes, and then, you know, just from curling your lashes, wearing fake eyelashes, stuff like that, I guess my eyelashes did get a little bit shorter. So I will be trying this out. I haven't even tried my new Milk mascara out, the one that I got from Boxycharm. So, you know, I do need to be trying out some makeup. I probably should, but I just feel like I'm one of those people, I don't like wasting makeup. Like even today, well, I'm filming, so it's not really wasting it, but I don't just like putting on makeup for nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and open this, guys. I don't like putting on makeup for nothing. And I guess it has one of these things. I keep bouncing back and forth. I'm not really a fan of these kind of wands, but maybe it'll work. I don't like putting on makeup for nothing, like I keep saying. So yeah, I don't like wasting makeup. So this mascara comes with a, what is this? I don't know, but it comes with a big piece of paper. It has whatever it's writing on here in all types of languages. And this is the mascara. Very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of these kind of wands. Ooh. This smells like expensive mascara. Now, y'all, can I get a drum roll? This last makeup product that I'm gonna show you guys. When I opened my Boxycharm box, I was so excited that I got this product just because it looks expensive, it looks cool, it looks cute, it looks like, you know, something that you have to spend a little bit of money on. Let me just see how much this costs. Okay, so it's not a lot of money, but it is a more expensive palette. This is probably something that I wouldn't spend my money on just because, you know, I'm a cheap bitch. I don't really be spending money on makeup. So this next product is from Lime Crime, and it retails for $38. This is the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. Isn't this cute? Like, I opened my box and I'm like, ooh, okay. I got the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. It comes packaged nicely. Not like that Caliente palette where, you know, there was no box, no fucking protector, nothing. Like, just straight from the box to your home. Like, there was nothing protecting the palette. This one comes with a plastic protector. Just like that. We're gonna open it. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it comes with, I'm assuming this is like Mary or something, the Virgin Mary, somebody. Lime Crime. Never owned Lime Crime before. None of the products in my box I've ever heard. Well, no. I've heard of Lime Crime, and I've heard of, who was this? Who the hell was this? The mascara. Too Faced. I've heard of those two, but I haven't heard of the other three. We're gonna go and open it. This is the eyeshadow palette. The mirror is decently sized. This is like a Rome theme, I think. It gives me Italian vibes. Now, guys, if you did not know, I do have some Italian in my genes. My mother is half Italian. So this is very much giving me Italian Rome vibes, the cathedral vibes, you know, where all that art is on the roof. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I do follow astrology as well. Aquarius Sun, Libra Moon, Gemini Rising. Leave you guys' placements down below in the comment box. Let me know what your sun, moon, and rising is. What is your Venus sign in? I have a Aries Venus. Dreamy, beam, heavenly, rapture, ecstasy, paradise, bliss, and beloved. I've never tried ecstasy. Me and my boyfriend were actually just talking about that the other night. The only drugs that I have ever done in my life is weed. I've never done ecstasy, you know, and that seems to be like a drug that everyone does. I don't know why I'm talking about drugs right now. I have been playing around in purples recently. If you guys also followed my maternity shoot looks, I was playing and dabbling in purples. My maternity dress was purple. Me and my baby girl did a... You just kicked your blanket off. Why'd you kick your blanket off? Aren't you cold? Me and my baby recently did a purple look inspired photo shoot on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram right now in the description box. I have been playing around with purples. These purples look really pretty and very neutral looking, so I can't wait to play in this, and there will probably be looks on my Instagram very soon. Very soon. But yeah, guys, that was the Boxycharm makeup that I got this month. Make sure, if you guys have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel if you like makeup. I also do tarot readings, and I also cook a little bit on here. So if you're interested in those, please check out my channel, you know, like some shit. And with that all being said, I hope that you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time.